Bonjour tout le monde, ici on va parler de l'unité 9 encore une fois sur la nourriture. Right now we're going to talk about the second part of the unit 9, la nourriture, et c'est à table. Donc, what we have here? Let's check the overview. So, in this overview, here we have the objectives you should be able to do at the end of this lesson, and are as follows. Demonstrate appropriate use and comprehension of terms related to dining and special food shops. Also demonstrate developing an use and comprehension of stress and rhythm in French. Describe and demonstrate comprehension of simple statements using comparative and superlatives of adjectives and adverbs. And demonstrate appropriate use and comprehension of double object pronouns. Then, in this lesson, we will learn vocabulary focused on dining and special food, and we also learn the practice of the stress and rhythm in French. You will learn how to identify and use comparative and superlative adjectives and adverbs, and the double object pronouns. Here you will have this short video explaining the same, and also adding the learning assignments. So, as usual, make sure to complete the VHL activity prior any testing, any quiz or exam, and make sure to read the vocabulary in the ebook textbook you have, the context section, then complete the VHL activities, then make sure to read leçons les lettres that are related to pronunciation and spelling, and complete the corresponding activities as well. And read the structures 9B, 9B1, 9B2 related to comparative and superlatives, in this time adjectives and adverbs, and the double object pronouns. Regarding the grammar aspects of the unit, remember that you have some resources before prior taking the unit quiz and unit test. Then, what we have here? We have the review for Unit 9. So remember that this review is part of the class and is mandatory to complete the practice quiz. Once you complete the practice quiz here, you will have below, you will have access to the answer key, so you can compare your responses. This is graded by completion, so the most important thing is that you can practice before the quiz that is taken on VHL. And here you have the Kahoot for reviewing some vocabulary, Kahoot 9A, 9B, and also the grammar topics, le passé à raison, the modal verbs, comparative and superlatives, and double pronouns. Also, if you want to check some previous content, remember that we have Notre Tableau de classe. Here you have some notes from previous semesters, and also some explanation about gender number agreement, and also conjugation and the use of prepositions. Also, you have la conjugation avec préposition. Ici, you have the conjugation of le verbe modo, the modal verbs, the le passé à raison, that is the topic of this, one of the topics of this unit, and if you want to restudy le passé composé, l'imparfait, etc. And remember that there are also videos that you can double check if you want to review some topics and some pronunciation as well, grammar topics and pronunciation. And after that, you will complete the readings on the culture, and that's all. We are almost done with this unit, and we are almost at the end of this intensive pre-session. So if you have any question, any doubt, just email me. Au revoir, merci.